guys, welcome to ETIB. So today we will complete the chapter 1 of Edexcel Economics from 9 to 1 book. So let's start. Today's topic is PPC, or the production possibility curve. So the first question, as we all know, what is PPC? The production possibility curve is a line in a graph that shows the maximum output produced in a country when all its resources are used up. So this is the exact definition of what is PPC, or what is production possibility curve. And do remember, with this answer you always have to draw a graph, and you have to draw the graph of the production possibility curve. So let me show you how the graph actually looks like. So you always should carry a scale if you are a business student. As I'm using a whiteboard here, I am drawing with my bare hands, but you should always draw this graph with a compass. The graph would look like this. So this is your PPC. So you always have to mention these lines. So here it's non-agricultural goods, down here, and up here it would be agricultural goods. So this is your graph for production possibility curve, and you always have to mention figure production possibility curve. Okay, so another question very important in this chapter would be briefly explain different point in PPC. So let's draw the graph first. We wrote agricultural goods and non-agricultural goods, but in economy we can write both agricultural goods or non-agricultural goods, or we can write consumer or capital goods. So let's point out. So this would be our point A, this would be our point B, and let's mark point D here. Let's add a C, point C, and let's add point E, point X here, Y here. So let's explain these points. So starting with point A. So point A here actually shows the maximum amount of consumer goods are produced when all its resources are used up and there is no production of capital goods. So point B shows the maximum production of capital goods when all its resources are used up and there is no production of consumer goods. So the answer for point C, D and E will be point C, D and E shows different combinations of consumer goods and capital goods are produced when all the resources are used up. So let's move on to point X. Point X, or any point inside the PPC or the production possibility curve, shows that some resources are remaining unemployed. So let's move on to the last point, point Y. At this point I will ask one question. Do you guys think economics is really hard? Because it's actually not. Compared to other subjects, economics is really easy. You just need to study. I mean, if you study half an hour a day, your syllabus for your midterms coming up or your actual O levels will be completed, because in half an hour you can solve actually half a chapter. So 42 chapter is nothing, as you have 2 years. And if you are in 8, you have 3 years, so don't worry. So let's move on. So point Y, or any point outside the production possibility curve or PPC, shows that the country does not have the capacity to produce at that point as no resources are left. So with that, we are done with the graphs. So in the next part, we will learn the factors which may shift production possibility curve. Till then, bye, and do remember everything is business. Bye.